Hey everybody, I am trying this for the first time today. This 2-time spicy ramen noodles, Korean noodles. I always see everybody enjoying them. My daughter is deciding to talk with her play toy kitty. I wasn't going to do all the water, which I probably should have did that. So it kind of diluted it a bit, but it's still really spicy though. And I did put cheese. Man.
What is it?
Jocelyn, you're doing that during my whole video and you're not even showing yourself once. So you're going to show yourself at least once? Because all the hair is you playing with your cat. Alright, say bye.